This is Travis with Dusterhoff Tuning. Today I'm going to make a video for you on how to data log your vehicle. The first thing I want to do to data log the vehicle will be to download the config file that we sent you in the email with instructions for logging. And the application that you'll use will be the VCM scanner. So you'll want to use the scanner for logging, the editor for reading and writing files. So go ahead and open your scanner. Okay, now the config file from the email, you'll load here in channels. So you'll click the little folder with the gear, click open channel config, and then for this vehicle, I'll choose the 11 plus 6.4 channels. We'll send you whatever's appropriate for your vehicle. Okay, so now here's all the channels that we want to log. So now whenever you get a data log for us, it'll have all the data that we're interested in seeing. Right, so now you'll need to connect your device from your computer to your vehicle. Power on the vehicle, or you can go and have the vehicle started and running and warmed up before you log. Connect to vehicle. Oh, it says interface not found, so I need to check my connection. If you get this, sometimes you just have to unplug it and plug it back in. I think that's what my issue is now. So let's try to connect again. Yeah, that's good now. It does that every once in a while. Not sure why, but usually just disconnecting and reconnecting will fix it. Alright, so now to log the vehicle, you'll click the Start Scanning button to start recording, or you can use the space bar. The space key on the keypad can be helpful if you're driving and you just want to start and stop a log. And so if I start the log, you'll see data everywhere. So if I press the throttle, you'll notice changes. So let me start the vehicle. Alright. See, we have RPM, all the data is moving as expected. So you want to make sure that you actually have all the data points logging. Make sure you don't have any blanks. Sometimes when you start logging, things will just go away because they don't log correctly. You need to start and stop the scanner if that happens and you have blank spots in the data. So to stop your log, you'll push the stop button or the space bar. And after you stop the log, you then want to save the log. So click Save Log File As. Make sure that you pay attention to where you're saving it because it comes up different places for different people. You'll need to be able to find the log to attach it to the email to send us. So you might need to just move it to a folder where you know where you can locate it at. So click Save. Alright, so that's the data logging process. There's a few other useful things that you can do with the scanner though that I wanted to show also. So one of them is this little check engine light looking icon. That actually is for diagnostics. So if you have a check engine light on, you can go to here, hit read DTCs, then it'll show you whatever codes are stored. And over here we have more things, special functions. Most of these you won't use, but this one, reset all adaptives, will sometimes have you do that, or a throttle relearn if you've changed throttle bodies. So that's under the little green icon for special functions, and then under special functions, it's the same spot you'll go like to change gear ratios or tire size. Like if you change tires and you want to change your tire size, you can go here and do that also. So what I mentioned before about if everything doesn't log, then just disconnecting and restarting, or sometimes restarting the entire scanner application, is the way to go about fixing that. Alright, that should be everything to get you data logging. Thanks.